Welcome to AlboPepper. I'm Al Gracian, a designer and urban gardener who loves science and loves growing edible plants. This channel features both annual garden vegetables as well as perennials in an edible landscape. We also do indoor gardening with basic hydroponics under LED grow lights. This is the place to find garden experiments and product tests, tips for high-density planting and sustainability, and some great info to help you with sub-irrigated or self-watering planters. How much can I grow on a 1/13 of an acre? Follow my journey as I streamline my property and help others to boost production at their site as well. Are you a student looking for ideas on a classroom science project? Are you a retired homesteader wanting to get the most from your garden? Maybe you love LEDs and indoor growing. This place is for everyone. So please subscribe to show your support.